In this video, we will start developing our Tweet Ideas Lightning Web component. So first of all, let's create the Lightning Web component. As you can see on screen, I have already created this Tweet Ideas component and currently it is blank. As you can see on screen, all the sample code is here. So in order to create this component, first of all, you have to click Ctrl Shift P, type Ctrl Shift P from your keyboard if you are using Windows or Linux, and Command Shift P if you are using Mac. And then select this create lightning web component. After that, you need to give the name of the component. I have given it as Tweet Ideas and then press on enter. After that, this component will be created. Now let's go to the component and write some simple HTML code. So I will use the h1 tag and will write Tweet Ideas and click on save. After that, we need to tell like Salesforce where this component can be used. So first of all, we need to make it as true, and then we have to set the targets. So we will use the targets tag, and under it I will use target, and I think then we have to like target should be lightning app page. We will show this component in one tab of the lightning app page. So this is it. After that, click on this, search for, right click on this Tweet Ideas folder and search for this deploy this source to org and click on this. It will deploy the lightning component we just created into the Salesforce org. As you can see, it is already deployed. Now let's go back to our Salesforce org and on setup. So as you can see here on my one of my org, I have already created this Tweet Ideas tab, and under it I am showing this. So here also side opportunity we will show these Tweet Ideas. So let's go here and search for app builder and click on new. Here we have to select the app page because we have decided like given the target as app page, and I will give it as the name as the label as Tweet Ideas. Click on next. After that, we need to select this one region. On done, and then we can do one thing, search for the component name which is Tweet Ideas, drop it here on the top on save. It is asking to activate it, so we will activate it. You can change the logo from here, notes, and then lightning experience. I will add this page to an app, will add it to the sales app, and now it will be like seen after the home tab. The second tab will be Tweet Ideas, and for mobile navigation we are so on save. Is saved. As you can see, currently the Tweet Ideas is not seen here. I will refresh the page, and as you can see, Tweet Ideas is here, and also this is showing here. So in this video we learned how to create this custom tab in LWC in Salesforce and add the LWC component into the custom tab. That's it in this video. Thank you very much.